Hello everybody, today we make pasta con sarde. Okay, first thing I want to chop the bread and we put it right over here. And see this machine, it's older than me. Okay, it looks really good. Now, first thing we want to do the peanut. Over here, okay, you gotta be no oil, nothing, on dry parts. I want to make a nice crispy. Okay, you see now it start to change color, a little bit more. And I take it right out. Okay, I think now this is good. We load the gas and we take out and I put it back on the same little monkey dish over here. Next, it's the bread. I put a little oil, drop the oil. That's enough. Okay, now we put the bread. And we make a nice color on the bread. It gotta be really crispy. Okay, now the bread is done. And we put on the side the cool down. Okay, now this is on the pots. I gotta put oil. And now we start with the onion. I got the fennel. And I got the garlic. And now we give a nice turn. And the smell already is so good. And we leave saute this a little bit. Okay, this is almost done. And I want to put a little salt, sea salt. And I want to use a little black pepper. At the same time I did this, I want to put my flake hot pepper to cook together. And we give a nice turn everything. Okay, the onion, the fennel, it's a nice soft, and now we put the anchovy. When you saute it together, the anchovy have to disappear everything. Look, the anchovy already, it disappeared, melted down already. Now I want to use the tomato paste, a couple of tablespoons. It's enough. We give a nice turn with this, it can make a beautiful color too. Look at that. And I use the zafferano to put it right inside the wine, and we put it right over here. Okay. Now this you gotta cook a little bit. At the same time, I got the water over here. It boiled already. We cook the pasta. And like this, the pasta be done, and all the sauce over here be done, and we give a nice mix. I salt already the water, and now the pasta you gotta cook like 10 minutes, but like al dente. Okay, after we mix it together, everything, and I take it out before the pasta is really cooked. I take it out al dente. Okay, now the pasta you need a couple of more minutes, and we put the sardine inside. I wanted to cook it together with my sauce. Okay, the pasta is done. I want to pick it up the pasta and put it together over here. It's okay, get go little water. I need a little water over here. If still you need more water, you can put more water, how many you want. We give a nice mix of the spaghetti, all with the sauce, everything, and the sarde. It look nice, it look already, look at this. It look really, really beautiful. Little bread, like this, look nice. And the pine, you put on the top. A nice time, taste my pasta spaghetti con sarde. It's really good. Salute e cin cin.